Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have another Icon. It's a 1963 Corvette split window, finished in silver blue. Original 327 300, 4-speed, power windows, blue interior. This car is beautiful. With the current owner for about 9 years now. Runs and drives fantastic. Headlights work perfect. Sitting on bolt-ons. White wall tires. These look original to me. Because the reproductions kind of aren't as smooth as this. You can kind of see the ridges in that. Which leads me to believe it's original. Gorgeous straight body. Beautiful paint. Chrome is super nice too. Beautiful frosting around the gauges. That looks like an original brochure, original owner's manual, and reproduction protecto plate brochure. Pretty cool. Nice of it have the actually, wait a minute. This might be original too, just in beautiful condition. Yeah, I think that's original. 1963, look at that. Gorgeous shape. Wow. Verification voucher, this one's going. Very neat. This is an original piece right here. Nice if it had the metal tag. This car was just retuned up too. It plugs, cap, wire, condenser points. Sounds so good. Car runs and drives beautiful. Super correct under the hood. Looks like the radiator was replaced. Great shape, direct Harrison style radiator. Got the shielding there too under the exhaust manifold. New master cylinder. See the casting numbers and everything. Flat black on the hood. Like a new fuel pump. Need a original alternator too. Pretty cool. Block fans, great road marks on it. And then on that end, style wiper blades. Love this color too, silver blue. So pretty. Client runs leaded race fuel in this. Keep everything proper. Regular fuel really dunks up. Beautiful sills. Our windows work fantastic. That's a nice option. Correct ball. Ham radio. Whoa, it still works. Very cool. Man, great frosting around everything too. Really shows how well tapped this car was. Correct mirror too, it's not even delaminating. Beautiful headliner. Probably needs a bulb. 912, silver blue. See that right there, matches the block pad. Very nice. Interior's in gorgeous shape. Dark blue. Take you guys for a quick ride. Very nice fitment of all the panels too. Even the headlights. You know, they normally crack in the corners. This is beautiful. Look like original bumpers too. The aftermarket ones are real sharp on the edges. Emergency brake works. And she really runs nice. Love the wine in that tranny. So good. Guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give us a shout. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 200 pictures I took today. So WeebyAutos.com. Give me a buzz. 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.